Hey guys, on today's video I'm going to teach you how to get 25% off any app really that you want, any game that you want from right here Oculus. So first of all, let me know which one you want so I can send you the link, that way you guys can get the 25% off. So the person who's sending you this link has to have the app already, that way they can give you 25% off that purchase. So this is for people who already activated their Oculus. If you're brand new to Oculus and you haven't even got it yet, you haven't activated yet, don't do this yet. First of all, get your referral, okay? Get it from somebody. Get it from me. I have my referral code. Go ahead, use it, and that way you guys get 30 bucks in order to just spend right here on any app that you want. But that's only for people who haven't activated their Oculus. That means you haven't turned it on for the first time. That will work. Other than that, make sure that on Safari or Chrome, whatever browser you guys use, make sure to be logged into the Facebook account which you have your Oculus synced up to. And always do that before you click on the link. Now this is a link that somebody sent me and it's throughout messages. You guys can send it off anywhere. You guys can even click on the link itself if it's posted on my YouTube channel, for example. Again, just let me know which app you're looking for. So we're just going to tap on this right here. I'm going to teach you how to redeem it. So I'm going to tap on it. Once you tap on it, it's going to open up on Safari in my case. And it's going to tell me to log in order to get this 25% off once I download this app. So it's going to be cheaper right now for me. So I'm going to tap in log in to get that. And I should see that discount, by the way. I'm going to continue on with Facebook. So that's why I mentioned Facebook. Just make sure to be logged into your Facebook account. Obviously, I can choose the other options if you guys didn't do this Facebook way. The Facebook way is easier, by the way. And I can go ahead and claim discount. So this code expires in 7 days. Claim discount. Then I'm going to see this. You've claimed your 25% off. So this code will automatically be applied at checkout when I go for this specific app. So that's why you need a specific code for a specific app. So we're going to go on and shop now. So yes, I could do it from here, or I can go into my Oculus app. So I'm just going to go into my Oculus app just to show you that it works regardless where you go. And I know you guys like to do things on Oculus app, me too. So we're just going to look for that app. So this one's desktop. So here we go. It's virtual desktop. That's where I got the code from. So I'm just going to go on. And here it tells me get 25% off, code friend, expires 7 days. Yep. So I'm supposed to do that. So we're gonna go ahead, tap on the price. So right now what you guys can see on the top, it tells me that it's 25, right? Below that it says friend, so that's minus $6. So that's the discount that you just got. And then you have tax plus your total. Obviously I have store credit right now. Remember I told you that refer a friend thing? Yeah, if you guys got my referral, then you won't have to pay anything for this, for example. But unfortunately, that's only for new users. However, this discount is for users that have been using Oculus forever or for a few days, whatever. If you guys have used Oculus before, you guys can use these special discounts. And I can definitely provide them for you for any app for that matter. So I'm going to go ahead and tap on purchase. Once I tap on purchase, it's going to ask me for my PIN. I'm going to put that in. And it's going to give me this option to turn off PIN if I want to. I'm actually going to turn off because I don't really need it. And here we go. I'm supposed to see this. So this is perfect. So right now it says share virtual desktop with a friend. Send your friend 25% off and get $6 store credit after they buy it. So both of you are getting something out of this. So I know that I accepted this from somebody else, so they get something. And hey, I got $6 off as well for doing nothing really. So I'm good to go. So I can just dismiss this. And right now I have this app. But anyways, that's how you guys can get discounts. Now, no matter which game it is, just let me know, or app, and I can probably give you a referral as well, just to try to help you out. Or hey, if you're brand new to this, go into my MetaQuest game giveaway and then sign up for it so I can gift you something as well. Anyways, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.